Okay, on problem number 14 now. And 14, again, is a derivative with respect to x of this quotient over here. And the quotient's x, e to the x. And on bottom you get 1 plus e to the x. Well, just to make life a little bit easier for me, and again, it may not make it easier for everyone, but I'm going to divide top and bottom by e to the x. So I'm going to put down d dx. This is going to be x. And what would you get over here? You'd get e to the minus x plus 1. Now, grant that it may not make it easier, but I just feel like doing that. So I'm going to use quotient rule, and you're going to get e to the minus x plus 1 squared, e to the minus x plus 1 times root of the top, which is just 1, plus the top, which is x, times root of the bottom, which is going to be e to the minus x. I made a mistake already. Let me erase this over here. That's minus. And then it's going to be minus 1 over here, because the derivative of minus x minus 1, so we'll put plus over there. All right, so what do I say? Well, let's write it down. And I see this over here. I see e to the minus x plus 1 plus x e to the minus x over e to the minus x plus 1 quantity squared. I'm going to write down twice, by the way. Certainly, looking at the answer key, there's no negative exponents, so I need to get rid of that. And what I'm going to do is multiply the top and the bottom by e to the x times e to the x. Now there's a point to that. And what are you going to get? Well, this guy distributed across these three separate terms over here. Let's be careful about that. What are you going to get over here? Well, first term is just going to be e to the x. The next term is going to be e to the x times e to the x, which is e to the 2x. Then you're going to get x, e to the x. Now, that's not so bad. What do you get on bottom? Now, the reason I did this on bottom is I'm going to associate e to the x with the first factor and e to the x with the second factor. And what do you go there? 1 plus e to the x. You get it down twice, so squared. I'm going to look at the key now, and I want to see if I'm seeing that. And what am I looking for? I'm looking for the top that has an e to the x in it, e to the 2x in it, and x e to the x in it. I see that in choice B, by the way. And I see this also in choice B. So what's the correct choice over here? Choice B. Again, you may have taken a different road there, but the bottom line, all roads lead to that answer. Thank you.